Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. 75 young people and a dozen Salesians from the St. Joseph delegation of East Central Africa took place in the first session of the Salesian Pastoral School from 16th to 19th November, organized at the Don Bosco Ngangi Youth Center in Goma. The school was accompanied by Father Juan Pierre Muhima Mutaka, SDB Counselor in charge of Salesian Youth Ministry of AFC EST, and Father Gothia Shibangu, SDB AFC EST Delegate. To celebrate the liturgical memory of Saint Artemides Zate, the Salesian Mary Help of Christians province based in Hong Kong, CIN, organized an event for Salesian brothers on 13th of November. This year, good weather favored a prayer and cultural trip to Macau. The group of Salesian brothers met at the Salesian Missionary House in Shao Ke Wan and then left for the Salesian Institute in Macau, the mother house of the CIN province. They then visited the Cajo Don Bosco Youth Village Youth Camp and the Jardins Versiligia reception service in Kelowna. Then at the village of Our Lady of Kelowna, they commemorated the late Father Nicosia, who for many years worked in this village with love and dedication, taking care of lepers. The day ended with a mass in honor of Saint Artemides Zate. During a bright gala evening on Thursday 16th November 2023, the Salesian Salvador del Mundo Foundation, FUSALMO, won first prize in the NGO category of the contest organized by the Ayudando a Quienes Ayudan, Helping Those Who Help program, an initiative of the Gloria Crete Foundation for the granting of funds for social projects. The activity was attended by the heads of various international organizations, representatives of private companies, supernatural bodies, ambassadors of various countries and collaborators. At the opening of the evening, an open forum was held, which also involved the Executive Director of FUSALMO, Nelson Cruz, who used the opportunity to share the experiences and perspectives of the Salesian organization in its work with young people. Be a witness of Mary and forgiveness. This message of Pope Francis during his visit to Mongolia is the theme of the 2023 Provincial Missionary Activity Day organized by the Missionary Commission. This year, the Provincial Missionary Day was held in two regions at two different times: Saigon Western Region at November 18th and Highlands Region, November 22nd. This Mission Day in the Saigon Western Region was held at Don Bosco Juan Heap Community, Thu Duc. Attending the program was the very lively and active presence of about 500 members of the Don Bosco Salesian family, including Father Barnaba Lee An Fong, Provincial of the Salesians of Don Bosco SDB, and Sister Mary Huang Thi Tu Ha, Provincial of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA. The visit of the Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians, to Our Lady of Peace, Province of Northwest Africa AON, ended on Sunday 19th of November 2023. Returning the previous day from the Gambia before leaving for Italy, the 10th successor of Don Bosco experienced another day full of events and significant gestures in which he encouraged the local Salesian family to grow in unity. On the final day of his animation visit to AON, the Rector Major presided over a solemn mass in the parish of St. John Bosco in Dakar. The celebration was the culmination of the day's events and saw the involvement of delegations of Salesians and members of the Salesian family from other Salesian presences in Senegal, Thiès and Tamba, Kaundathe, in addition to numerous parishioners. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.